May na-discover ako na sure babalik-balikan nyo. Dahil bukod sa masasarap ang food dito, maganda pa ang ambience. Friendly staff at perfect bonding place to with your family and friends. First time ko nga lang dito kumain pero sobrang na-enjoy ko. Lalo na yung kanilang mga oyster. Fresh at good quality talaga. Pati na rin itong crispy pata na good for sharing. At sobrang lambot ng meat. Pati na rin itong pork ribs. Grabe ang sarap talaga. Sure ako babalik-balik ka dito. At dito nga lang yan matatagpuan sa tapat ng ABS-CBN, Grandia Place, Mother Ignacia, Diliman, Quezon City. At ito ang Talabar. May second floor din sila at bukod sa masasarap na food, may mga cocktails and mocktails na available. Unlimited wine everyday from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. at 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. May buy one get one rin for only 350 pesos lang. While ordering, meron silang complimentary nori chips. Syempre, kailangan pa rin natin magpaka-healthy dahil mamaya kakain tayo ng pamputok batok. Ito yung Talabar Greek salad. Mixed greens with pouch apples, candied walnuts, feta cheese with balsamic dressing, crispy wings na classic buffalo. Perfect for appetizer at good for sharing din. Ito yung sobrang nagustuhan ko. Salmon bombs. Grabe, ang sarap nito. Fresh yung salmon, watery, rich, and slightly sweet. Syempre, nag-order rin ako ng grilled oyster na may kasamang vinegar at hot sauce and Yakult for sensitive tummy. Lagyan natin ng lemon and chili sauce. Wow! Hindi overcooked at very fresh. Ito naman yung Rockefeller. Meron itong butter, parsley, and green herbs sa ibabaw. Hindi overcooked tapos sobrang sarap talaga. May kare-kare crispy pata rin sila na good for sharing. Nakabukod yung kare-kare sauce at gulay. May option ka to choose if plain crispy pata or kare-kare ang gusto mo. Kaya pwede talaga to sa lahat. Tikman muna natin with kare-kare sauce at gulay. Wow! Ang sarap nung peanut sauce. Manamis-namis tapos lasang-lasa yung peanuts. Ganito yung gusto ko sa kare-kare. Malasa talaga yung mani. Tapos alam mo talaga nagginisa ng mabuti yung mani. Crispy pata with suka at liver sauce pwede rin. Meron din silang burger dito kung naghahanap ka ng first snacks. In-order ko yung Talabar burger. Brioche bun with double beef patty with caramelized onion, lettuce at cheese. May on the side pa yan na fries at mayo and ketchup. Sizzling beef sinigang na sobrang asim. Malambot ang beef at perfect ang pagkaluto ng vegetables. Naku, magugustuhan to ng anak ko. Isa sa bestseller daw nila itong pork ribs. Grabe, napakalambot nung meat. Tapos ang sarap ng pagka-marinate. Sobrang perfect. Masarap sabayan ng kanin at very balanced yung tamis at alat nito. Meron din itong kasamang mashed sweet potato and potato. Ang sarap talaga. And veggies on the side. And for dessert, fried ice cream with pa-gold leaf pa yan. Vanilla ice cream na dinip fry to.